Hey, good morning, LC students. Hope you had just a great weekend. Um, Looks like we got some great weather coming up these next couple of days, and also, the weekend was great. So make sure and still get out and get some fresh air. Um, this video is actually meant to be just kind of some information for you, and I wanted to show you a couple of things on your Chromebooks that hopefully help with your time management and possibly a few tips that can help you keep more organized at home. So I wanted to show you a couple of things. First of all, I hope you didn't forget about our school remote learning student website. You can go there. It'll be in this email, but it's also very easy to get to if you go tinyurl.com/lc students. That can kind of be a one-stop hub for you, and you can make it to this screen. Once you get to this screen, you can see a lot of the things that we have going on school-wide. Some of our principal challenges are here. All of your teachers' classrooms are in here. The suggested daily routine is here. And of course, our school counselor is there, and she's ready to help you if you need help. Some other activities at home. Don't forget about this site. It wouldn't be a bad idea to kind of check this out every morning before you get going. And then, of course, if you want to get to your classrooms, you can get there through your email, but it also is here. For instance, if I wanted to see what Mr. Lear has me doing this week, I can easily go in and get to his site and see what he has me doing. And he also has a Google Classroom for you too, but I just wanted to give you this reference and this option to go to our remote learning website. Also, I wanted to give you a few tips on email. A lot of you are probably getting a lot of email. You're not used to that. Us as adults, we're really used to getting email and responding to email, and I wanted to give you possibly a couple of tips that could help you. One email or one idea that I have is you're probably getting a lot of email that really isn't school related. So, for instance, if you're asking your friends, "Hey, what up?" That all of those different emails that you're sending your friends could kind of flood your inbox, and then you'll lose track of what's important. So I want to make sure that you know that email really is supposed to be used for your professional things that you are doing. So your professional things as a student would be your classes, your Google Classrooms, your teacher correspondence, your correspondence with your principal. That's really what email from the school is designed to do. So I would ask that you try to do that, and then it won't flood your email as much. Also, you can create labels. I'm scrolling down here so I can show you. You can see I've got a lot of labels, and that's how I keep myself organized. But you can, for instance, let's say you wanted to create a label that's named math. Very simply, you can put it in there, math, and then create it. And let's say this email number 4 right here is a math email, and I'll go up to the top and try to find that label that I just created. So there it is. This is the math one. It's very easy just to click and drag that into your math after you finish something. So now I don't have to deal with that email anymore, okay? You can put it in there. I usually don't delete emails ever, just in case I want to go back and look at them. But I also wanted to let you know that if you don't want to do the labels, you can just archive them. This is the archive button right here. And that's pretty simple to do. If you want to archive something, you can just do it like that. Also, your email can help you stay on task with the tasks feature, and that's right here. So I would ask you both to check our remote learning website in the morning, every morning. Check your email to see things that you have to do. You might have some correspondence from your teachers. And also get a list together for yourself. You can add these lists and it'll always be in your email. So get math done. create another one. Mr. Lear workout. Create another one. Practice instrument. All right. And then as you go throughout the day, you can check these off. Like, oh, I got that done. I got that done. So if you're a list maker, go ahead and use it. Use this feature. The next thing I wanted to show you is your Google Calendar, okay? So if I go up to my waffle or my Rubik's Cube up here from my email, and I go to my calendar, you're probably going to have a lot of Google Classroom correspondence here that have due dates or assignments, and that's a great way that you can look and your parents can look on your Google Calendar to see what you've been assigned and what is due and when it is due using your Google Classroom, okay? But it also can be used for you. If you're kind of a schedule person, you can schedule your whole day. All right, let's say at 9 o'clock, I want that's my ELA time. And that is for tomorrow. Yep, okay. And then I'm going to click in here again, add another one. At 10 o'clock, I am doing recess. My favorite part of the day. At 10:15, I am going to do, and then you can use our suggested calendar. Let's go back and look. Remember, you have this. You have access to that. Let's see, science or social studies. So you're kind of a calendar person. At 10:15, I've got science and social studies. At 11, I've got, let's say you're going to do Success Maker. Okay? And then let's just do one more. At 11:30, I've got, let's get back in there, add something. At 11:30, I've got a Google Meet with teacher. All right, and that way you can kind of keep yourself organized and you can see all of the things that you've got tasked for yourself that day. Okay, so just a couple of things. There's one more thing. Of course, if we go to our website and you go to schools and Lewis and Clark, you can always kind of go down to our teacher websites, and that can kind of help you navigate what you need to do as well. Let's say I want to go to Miss Poser Brown's teacher website. It looks like, okay, I'm a Lewis and Clark student, so I can go to this. It brings you to this site. From here, of course, we've already gone through that, but let's say you want to find out what you're doing in library this week, you can get to her spot. And then, of course, you're probably part of her Google Classroom as well. But just a few organizational tips for you. And hey, guys, remember, we're all here for you all the time. Give us a call. Email us. We want to help you. If you need help with your organization, give me an email. I'll help. I'll do a video just like I did, but I'll do it personal for you. Or maybe we can have a Google Meet. There's lots of different things, and we want to help you as much as we can. I know this is like a totally long video, and I'm not going to post it to like social media. This is just going to be posted just to your email. And if you have access to YouTube, you can access this video. But hey, I'm here for you guys. I miss you. I want that correspondence from you by email if you're asking for help. I'm not going to claim that I'm the king at all of this technology stuff, because I'm not. But I'm here to try to talk things out with you and help you as much as I can. Remember that we're going to stay Golden Eagle strong. And gosh, I miss you guys. I sure hope I get to see you soon. Be safe. And remember that we have Easter break coming up. And you won't have online classes that Friday through that Tuesday. So take that time to enjoy whoever's in your house and stay active within your house or your backyard. And I really do miss you guys.